Welcome back, Coin Spyder family. Today, we're diving into a mystery that has shocked collectors across Malaysia, and honestly, across the world. Because right now, ordinary Malaysian coins are showing up with rare errors, and some of these rare varieties, in global auctions, have crossed $193,200 plus. Not these exact coins, but coins just like them, with special mint errors nobody expected. So the big question is, could your simple 20 sen 1990 or 50 sen 2010 coin secretly be worth a fortune? Could one small mistake in the mint turn a normal coin into an ultra-rare treasure? And what makes one of these two coins more special than the other? Stay with me, because today's episode is going to change the way you look at your everyday coins. This is Coin Spyder, and the hunt begins right now. The story of the 20 sen 1990. Let's begin with a coin that is older, humbler, and hides stories that many people still don't know. The 20 sen 1990, a journey through time. The year 1990, Malaysia was growing, industries were modernizing, and millions of 20 sen coins were released into circulation, coins that people used casually for daily life. But here's the twist. Most people don't know that some of the older Malaysian coins from this era have rare mint varieties. And worldwide, coins from the late 80s and early 90s have shocked auctions. For example, a small die crack turning into a dramatic lightning strike error, a clipped planchet missing a chunk of metal, a double strike causing the design to shift, or an off-center strike. These kinds of errors, in many countries, have reached $10,000, $45,000, even $193,200 plus at premium international auctions. Not your coin specifically, but coins with rare mint errors just like these. Why collectors love the 1990 era coins? 1990. Coins have a few things going for them. 1. Age gives them character. Collectors love coins that survive 34 plus years of history. 2. Older dies often produced more mistakes, meaning rare errors are more likely to appear in older coins. 3. Limited high-grade survivors. Most 1990 coins were used heavily and worn out. A shiny, uncirculated 1990 20 sen is very hard to find. The design more meaning than you think. Take a careful look at the reverse design. That traditional Malay box, the siri, the cultural elements. These aren't just decorations. Collectors love symbolism. Every curve, every cultural element tells a story. And coins that tell stories sell. Recently, Malaysian collectors have reported die cracks off center strikes, weakly pressed hibiscus petals, double rim impressions, metal streaks in the planchet. And guess what? These varieties get attention in local and international auctions. Where do Malaysian auctioneers sell such coins? Here are 3 major places. 1. MNP Auctioneers, Malaysia Numismatic Public Auction. 2. Trigo Numismatic Auctions. 3. Bank Negara, Malaysia Museum, Numismatic Events. And for global listings, 4 Heritage Auctions, USA, 5 Stax Bowers Galleries, 6 eBay Verified Auction Sellers. These platforms have seen rare error coins cross amounts like $29,500, $88,400, and even $193,200 plus, depending on condition plus rarity. Again, not regular Malaysian coins, only extreme rarity coins with extraordinary mint errors. Could you have one? Imagine this. You open your old drawer, you find an old 20 sen coin, you see a strange double line, or a missing rim, or an unusual metal curve, and suddenly, that one small detail changes everything. Because rare errors are accidents, and accidents don't follow rules. They can appear anywhere, in any year, on any coin, even in your hands and right now. The 50 sen 2010. Now let's talk about a coin that is newer, but surprisingly more mysterious. The 50 sen 2010, a modern coin with unexpected secrets. When you look at the 2010 50 sen for the first time, it feels modern, sharp, and well struck. But don't let its age fool you, because this coin has something the 1990 coin does not have. And this is why collectors are watching it closely. Rarity within modern coins. Collectors worldwide have started shifting interest to modern coins, newer mint errors, short-run varieties special die shifts, unique edge defects. Why? Because modern minting machines rarely make mistakes. So when a mistake does happen, it instantly becomes rare. Unique features of the 2010 50-cent one. The large denomination makes errors more visible. Even a small off-center shift is noticeable. 2. The design has more depth, meaning double strike or die clash errors look dramatic. 3. Edge lettering problems. Some 50-cent coins from this era have shown irregular edges. 4. Metal purity variations. Small color changes may indicate a planche flaw. Extremely collectible. Why some collectors consider the 50-cent 2010 more rare-worthy, while the 1990 20-cent is historically attractive. The 2010 50-cent has shown more modern error potential. Collectors have discovered triple rim outlines, deep die polish marks, rotated die errors, missing section strike overpolished hibiscus petals. These are the kinds of errors that, in the global coin market, have produced unbelievable results. In world auctions, similar coins with dramatic errors have reached $25,000, $76,000, $193,200 plus. Again, for extremely rare errors, not normal circulation coins. Between the two, which one can reach higher potential? If a rare error is found, the 50-cent 2010 has more potential to reach a high international auction price. Why? Because modern coins with unexpected mint errors equals ultra-rare, equals high shock value, equals high demand, equals aggressive bidding wars. This is why some collectors believe the 50-cent 2010 might secretly be the sleeper coin of Malaysia. What if your coin has the error? Imagine your normal 50-cent coin has a misaligned strike, a doubled hibiscus leaf, a missing rim, a rotated die, a clipped edge, and you don't even know it. Collectors search for these coins every single day. Auctioneers feature them. Buyers fight for them. And right now, auctions are happening. Yes, right now in Malaysia, coin auctions are active, and new rare coins are being discovered every single week. If you're watching this, you might be holding a treasure without even realizing it. Coins don't become valuable because they are old. They become valuable because they are unique, because they have something that nobody else has. A small mistake, a rare variety, a flaw that the mint never intended. These coins are not just metal, they're history, they're mystery, they're hidden stories waiting to be discovered. And maybe the next rare Malaysian coin worth thousands of dollars is sitting right in your pocket. If you want me to check your coins, comment your coin year and denomination. Tell me if you found anything unusual on your coin. If you want to sell your coins, comment "sell coin" and I will guide you. And listen, this is just the beginning. Auctions are happening, new coins are being discovered, and every day I will bring you new details, new discoveries, and new updates. So stay with me, stay curious, stay sharp, because you are watching Coin Spyder, and together we're going to uncover the biggest numismatic secrets of Malaysia. Like this video, comment your coin year, subscribe and turn on notifications. Share this video with every coin lover you know. Let's push this video to 1 million views. Let the world know that Malaysian coins matter. Thank you, Coin Spyder family, and I'll see you in the next treasure hunt.